Okay.
Hey Hector, smile. I'm gonna get a picture. It's a video, you idiot.
Sadie wants some whipped cream?
Oh, get it. Get it. Get it.
Go bang.
Back up. Back up. What the hell?
What? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your screws.
Oh my goodness.
Carla, what are you doing? And Jessica's Jessica as well. They're so cute. He likes that. He does.
This fat ass already popped the button. Se cayó. Fíjate.
¿Qué pasó?
Se cayó. To you. Happy birthday to you.
Look where I found them. Is this not the cutest thing you have ever seen? Are you being a good boy, Echo? Are you taking care of your little sister? Oh, good job.
Oi. Yeah, I'd be scared too.
Agua. A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
¿Ah?
Yes.
How do you feel about this project we got going on, huh?
Oh, I don't know.
That's what I was thinking too. But, what about you? Okay.
That's an important one. I can't let you take that. Sorry, please. Can you go back, please? Please. Oh. Casey, be a good boy, okay?
This nigga walking me. I'm about to put the shit around my neck. Yeah, fuck. Since you wanna hold the fucking leash so bad. Huh, walk me, nigga. The fuck? This nigga walking me.
Three, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Good boy. Good boy.
Stop. Stop, Lolo.
Reg!
Rusty, come on. Oh, fuck. Come here, Rusty.
Come here.
Her mom. There she is.
I want the ball.
Sit. Sit. Come, Georgia, come. Come here. Come here.
I don't give two fucks, but I am telling you right now, that motherfucker back there is not real.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
¡Mamá! ¡El morro está arriba del sillón! ¿No que no te bajabas, perro mugroso?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
What do I do for a living? I'm a professional attention seeker, obviously.
Who are you?
Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
Pick it up. Get big. No. You gonna do it? Are you gonna do it?
I'm sorry. No! Why?
No! What the?
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog. No, it's okay.
Hi! Hi,
You got an itch, buddy boy? Charlie? Itching your back?
Maggie.
Does anyone else try to cuddle with their wife ever? And you have this going on? Get out of here. He just, every time.
No, I can't touch him because he will bite. Oh.
Hello? Hi. Oh, you can get her. Hi.
Chopper. Really? Sit on my lap?
You sure you don't want an orange peel?
In a former life, did you used to be a human?
These are words my dog knows according to my dog. Look!
Stinky. Back here.
Hold on a second. Is this what I think it is? Is this a sweet treat? Because it looks like a sweet treat and it smells like a sweet treat.
Uh-oh. Ladies are welcome.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
This is parkour.
Clap for your dog and see what happens.
Canela, you stealing from me?
I don't think God put me on this earth to work hard. I think God put me on this earth to be an excellent vibe.
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Back, 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 sit.
We've got this little weirdo. What you got there, Coops?
Sorry, sit. Sorry, sit.
You want a butt scratch? Oh, okay.
Ready for your hat? Ready for your hat? Is it perfect? That's almost perfect.
Guys, he does not bark weird.
Estoy loco. Estoy loco.
So guess who learned how to let themselves in? You see that?
I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the beat like boom. Mustard on the beat, bro. Bing, back, boom, back, bing, bing, boom.
Okay, so if there's 2 squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels. And I've peed on 10 trees, so 10 times 2.
ทำอะไรให้สุดาให้สุดา